folks. In this episode of Utah's Garage, what am I doing? This monstrosity mess here is what I'm going to be taking out of here. I should have a little rubber pad here. Hold on a second. Yeah, edit out my head there. Yeah. What I'm doing is I'm taking this off of here, and we'll put it up there. See, if you look at this mess, all these, horrible hammers here. Nobody likes hammers. They're for weirdos. Just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. People collect hammers are strange. But anyway, I have this hammer thing here that I made, just for hammers and things like spud wrenches. And basically, for the most important stuff, see, like this, vice grips, and more vice grips. And what's this one? This is a, can't twist it. Oh, did I say I have vice grips? Oh, yeah, look at that, vice grips. Oh, BMC locking pliers, gotta have these ones. Oh, 7-inch BMC, gotta have some of those. Oh my God, another Irwin. Oh, it's terrible. Those Irwin things are terrible. Oh, what is this? What is this? It's one that won't come off, is what it is. This is a vintage. Oh, Seymour Smith? No way. Who would have known? Oh, another, what was this, 9-inch, number 9? BMC. Well, I dropped it on the floor. Oh, it's broken. Throw in the garbage. Okay, now I'll take this pipe out of here. All right, now, take these clampety clamps out of here. There's another. These are Berger clamps from Horror Freight. And some more Berger burners here. Take this out of here. Berger clamps. Can't forget the small bars of aluminum. Oh, ouch. That sounded like it hurt. Ooh, hammers? Yeah, who likes hammerheads? This one's cool, actually. The only thing, though, is the handle one is like, isn't that a little skinny for that one? I don't know, maybe. Well, so anyway, what I did was, the top part, this right here, this is actually a 20-something inch metal bender. I'll show you. It's a 30-inch metal bender, which most people, if you don't know, is sitting on here. But my little hammer cadabra here, see, I put these. Yeah, look. I didn't weld it on because I wasn't sure if it was going to stay here. So I use these shitty little clamps that I got here somewhere. I just clamped it on there. That's all that's holding it on. And these clamps, which, wait, let me show you this first. These clamps have a weird little threaded hole on top. I don't know what the hell they're for. Got them in a pile of junk. The thing what sucks is these wing nuts. These wing nuts are like finger killers. Oh, and then I made this. See, I made this little holder. The problem though is I never ground down this here, rounded this out. So it's like shaving all my hammers. So this, I'll probably find use for something else. Well, that was a use for stuff. I mean, it's good for like things that are solid metal. I mean, if you're not worried about like, this getting whatever, not saying you put vice grips in it, but gotta use vice grips as an example for everything. So I'm putting this up here. So now we have this big space, which has literally a ton of shit in the way. Baby wipes, excellent garage wipes, pieces of aluminum, aluminium for the rescue. Hey, what is that, a wire? And you're gonna have more clamps, see? Clamps. There's tape under here. This has got to go somewhere else for now. Freaking giant piece of. Oh, wait, in case you're wondering. Oh, look, I got locking pliers. Strong hand tools. I think, are these strong hand tool ones? These are no-name tools. Oh, yeah, there's a. What do you call it? Those. Roly-polies, yeah, roly-poly bearings. All right, now, there's a metal bar in the way. I got a square, which I don't know how to read. Not that I don't know how to read, but, I just can't read the square. Put this up here. Now I'm going to have to do a bench cleaning video. put all this shit somewhere. Add another tiny clamp here, in case you get the clamps. I'll just start throwing the shit on the floor. These are bearings for a project of mine. These are actually for a piece of park equipment at Pine Ridge Park where I go camping. So if you want to stalk me this summer, we go camping upstate New York. This is a project I'm not done yet. Now that I have a filer for it, that's going to get done someday. It'll get done. There's another clamp. Clampity clamp, clamp. More clamps. Where do I get all these clamps? At the clamp supply place. Where else? Look. Shake, shake, shake. Mardi Gras shakers. Not really. Not really. I gotta move this shit over now. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You ever have leftover plastic decking? This stuff's good for all kinds of stuff. All right. Got another fuller clamp right here. This one. This is a really cool clamp, except here it's not exactly strong. See, it's got a few problems. I think it's stripped. So you know. Oh! There's something I was looking for. Strong hand tools. No, fireball tool. That's it. Fireball tool. Fireball tooly woolly on the holy woolly fireball. Okay, that's pretty much cleaned out. That's that little piece I need. So I will pause it here and we'll move on to putting this thing in there. See if it fits. Hello, folks. It's me again. Now that the Atlas power hacksaw has been moved over, I'm going to attempt to get this thing in there. How? I have no idea. I think I got a few problems, like this clamp is going to be in the way, and maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if this, first of all, will fit under here. Let's see. Yep. We had a clamp problem. One clamp. One stupid clamp. So, let me get back to you on this and we'll figure that problem out. So folks, what am I doing now? I'm moving the clamps over. I put what the clamp holds is, it's the, if you ever buy a commercially made cheap $100 bender from anywhere, you'll know you get the bar and you clamp it on, you bend it. Well, that's what's holding the bar on. So if you stay tuned here for a second, hold on, let me just, I gotta get a broom. Wait, where's my little brush? Where's my super duper Harbor Freight brush? It's probably buried under here somewhere. Where the hell? Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, now we'll clean it off. Fabuloso. Just like new, just like the day it was born. So anyway, now we have this lovely space. Of course, you can't really see too far under here. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know. Yeah, it's like that. It's like backwards on film. I don't know why. Try this again. Try this again. This under here, like so. So now, what's getting caught? A little piece of metal. All right, this clampity clamp is in the way too, but so, oh, look at that. This one's in the way. And this one's in the way too. Jeez whiz. Gee wizard. The one clamp that I thought it wasn't recording. The one damn clamp that's in the frickin' way. Come on, get out of here. Come on, move over. This over more. Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. Move this all the way over there. The little rod over there. Loosen that one. Loosey-goosey. Loosey-goosey. Put that little rod that way, and now we might have. So what am I going to do to keep this thing steady and not moving? I'll probably put some blocks behind it. So now I have this little tiny drawer here. Oh, and I still have, the best part is, this is the best, this is the best part. Look at this. Look at this. I can still put vice grips. And I can open the top drawer. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely freaking amazing. Okay, maybe to me it is. What am I going to put in here? I don't know. I really have no idea. But I'm going to probably put this on the side here like so. Like this. My little drawer. Right up here on the grinder, not grinder, the bender, I put all my tape measures. I also, in case you're wondering, extra hammer, you know, just for times like these. So anyway, I'll probably put a block of wood in there, screw it to the side so it doesn't move. This is just borderline, like, gonna hit it. I don't want it to hit into it. Or I could move it over, I don't know. That'd be a little too complicated right now because I don't want to flip it off and hold it and slide it over. And if I slide it over if I slide this one over this way, it's gonna hit the thing. Oh, wait a minute, if I turn it up, yeah, there we go. Hold on a second. Hold on a minute. Hold on a second, let me do this. Oh, now folks, if you look at this clamp, it's upside down. It's virtually gonna fall out, but I'll fix it later. So now I can put this all the way there. I have this. Vice grips can hit my gonads. And I got places for other stuff, mostly small shit. So anyway, that's my $99 purchase. It saved me what? Probably 20 hours of thinking, 40 bazillion hours of fabricating, and probably 40 more bazillion hours of screwing up a bunch of shelves when I could just buy a set. Do I buy everything all the time? Most times, because if I don't know how to build it, I'll just buy one. But if I do feel like building it, and I do have the equipment to build it, which I do have the equipment to build most things, but doesn't mean I have the skills to, oh, then if I think I have the skill set, I'll try to build it. But no, I'm not building a freaking shelf like this. It's better to just buy one and use it. So I got all these toolboxes. Sometimes I, want to build stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like this random odd video. Oh yeah, I forgot to add to this video that when it comes to drawer liners, man, this is all wet. I think I just sat on a wet spot. When it comes to drawer liners, all I have left is this piece of my formerly known as snap-on drawer liners. This piece might be good. So I'm gonna have to go to Horror Freight and get some cheap ones. So, or I'll have to use some of my 100% premium deer skin. I'll just put it in there, spray it in there, because I have about 15 deer hides I could probably glue in there. But anybody have a suggestion what kind of glue to use inside of a drawer? Because I noticed I got drawer liners over there. Probably should use, I'm guessing maybe some double-sided tape. Probably come off though. So I don't know what the hell to use. I'm thinking double-sided tape, crisscross and stick it down. Or do they make sticky drawer liner? I don't know. I'm gonna have to Google this, or YouTube it, or BitChute it, or something. So anyway, I'm gonna put one of these in there, and I'll give you a funky tour of my new little Craftsman thing here. It's just sitting in place. It's awesome. So anyway, I hope you like this video. And if you want to see some more, I'll give you a drawer tour after. I'm going to line up about 50 pairs of vice grips above it, just because that's what I can do. I got about 50 pairs. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends about my kooky channel. Thanks for watching.